amount realized. In total, all of your replacement property should be $1 million or more in order to fully defer the gain. If you buy only a $900,000 replacement property, you're gonna recognize gains on that $100,000 buy down in value. So you could buy one property for $900,000 and another for $110,000. And between the two of them, now you've gotten to an equivalent or greater value. That's why kind of like the DST is a gap filler, because you can tailor that purchase. If it's a leveraged DST, you're not paying $1 for every dollar value, you're getting some credit for the underlying debt that's on that property. So you may not have to pay as much. In fact, you might be paying out less than you pay in taxes on the boot if you were to buy down. If you buy a very leveraged DST, 85% leveraged DST, that's only going to cost you 15 cents on the dollar to make up the gap. But the taxes for a $100,000 buy down, the effective tax rate might be almost 50%. So what would you rather do? Give 50 cents on the dollar to the state of Minnesota and the federal government, or give 15 cents to your stockbroker who's going to put you into a security that might be worth something someday? The money that you pay out in taxes will never come back to you as anything. The money that you give to your stockbroker for the DST could, probably will.